Hello, dear community, and welcome back to AVL Demo Day here in Graz from the headquarters of AVL. We have a next super exciting startup with us, Spark EV. Justin, the founder here. Welcome, Justin.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, very well. Dominik is with us for AVL Steyr. Dominik, welcome.
Welcome, everybody.
And of course, Alexander from Creators Expedition AVL. Hello, Alexander.
Hi.
You're first, Justin. Pitch your startup. What do you guys do?
So Spark EV develops and supplies personalized energy prediction software for EV, hydrogen, and hybrid vehicles. We're working with many OEMs, but also on this project, we're working with AVL on a new project for hydrogen fuel cell.
So you guys work together on this project. How did that happen?
Basically on the need of a customer, so by accident I would say. So our key account manager had the task to bring us together, and then we found out it would be worth of even accelerating to a collaboration.
Super. What problem are you solving with your product?
Do you want to come in again?
You can start.
Okay, so currently fuel cell electric vehicles at the moment, there is an issue of managing energy, whether you use the battery or the fuel cell, and when you use that, depending on the type of road type in front of you. So what we're doing is we're bringing our prediction technology together alongside AVL's control algorithms to dictate when you use that energy source to reduce the hydrogen fuel savings for fleets and save them money.
So if I go from Graz to Vienna now with a vehicle that has both fuel cell and battery, what does the software do?
So basically, the idea of the software is you use it like a navigation system. So you enter your destination. We then query the information from Spark EV. We get a personalized prediction for the route, which is all up in front of you. So you get the energy needed per segment all along the route, taking into account speed limits, taking into account altitude, road shape, and also your driving behavior. We take the information then, so this energy needed, and calculate the perfect power split to select either battery or either fuel cell to basically run the fuel cell only whenever it's necessary and to take the battery whenever it's best, to deplete it before a hill to enable full recuperation potential when going downhill, which enables us to save fuel at the very end, so to save hydrogen.
Is this product functional already? What's the stage of your product?
So we are in testing. So we are in the live demonstration, basically. So we have tested it in a fuel cell electric vehicle from AVL. And we could already see an decrease of hydrogen consumption by measurement.
Fantastic. Alexander, you've been involved in this collaboration from creators, so to say, expedition side. What's your take on that? How did it work? What are the learnings from it?
I mean, there's technically it's quite clear what needs to be done, what is requested by customers, and Dominik already mentioned there's realistic potential for saving hydrogen, clear KPIs. Yeah, such a constellation is tricky for us. We're first of all a company with our heritage in powertrain development, and this is a very software-based solution. And so this challenges us, of course, but we take on those challenges, as you know, and we clearly see, as these two guys have already explained, there's a complementary solution we're developing here together. Justin and Spark are enabling this by their prediction. Dominik and his team, they are, let's say, generating the fuel savings based on the data that is coming from Spark EV. So easy, yeah, it's complementary. Nevertheless, software as a service is very different to our let's say standard business models, and this is a software as a service business model. And also our customers, maybe the OEMs themselves are the same, but the buying centers are not the same. The people we're talking to are not the same. So this is on the one hand, it's a great technical step that we're doing together. On the other hand, it's also a change to our processes when approaching customers, when selling. And therefore, I think we've already made a very good step in involving many stakeholders in AVL. For such a solution, you need to find the important stakeholders. There are many, maybe others than in simple solutions. That's our job. And I think we've made a very good progress here in that project. And there's huge potential for this both for Spark and AVL in the market serving new customers.
Where do you see, reflecting on that, what you said, the challenges going forward?
I think the next steps are to involve the right people within AVL and actually move to commercialization, and where we can find harmonization between one existing model very much in the project-based world and in the software-based world. So that's the next steps.
And the technology is ready for that?
Yeah, the technology is ready. This is now more on contracts, business models and commercialization. So signing a contract and going out to the market together. Which
is obviously not trivial. So from your perspective, Dominik, next steps, next milestones that you expect to achieve?
Next milestones, which we agreed on, is now we kickstarted, how is it called? The commercialization cloudification program. So we joined this. So we are now sorting things out, how a business model then as AVL and Spark together will work out, how licensing could work out, how all these things which we are asked from the customers, then are going, that we have some clear answer to them, which can give some figures, basically, what's the cost of the product itself. Further testing, definitely, and to find a partner as well when it comes to commercial vehicles, where we can test the solution not only in passenger cars, so basically we want also to test it in the commercial vehicles.
Will this be a new revenue stream for AVL? Is this a new opportunity arising here?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Also to add on that, that's one of the examples where we also see that it's not about technical stuff. It's not about technology only. It's not about solving technical problems by innovative solutions only. We see that we have to hand in hand develop technologies and business models along our customers' needs. And that's where we as Creators Expedition are always, let's say, the team trying to merge this all into one project and keep the pace on both ends running similarly. They are doing a great job. I think it's a few small steps that we need to take still, and then I'm sure we'll have new revenue streams on this.
Are you confident that between the two of you, between Sparks and AVL, you will find a business model that suits you both, that creates a win-win situation that helps you both generate new revenues?
I believe so. I think we're speaking to the right people within AVL. I think there's the right signals and motivation for us to move forward together, and I'd hope to see some form of agreement in the next quarter, I'd say.
Same thoughts here. So I think we are speaking to the right people. We basically have to find someone who is really then taking a decision, the right decision, and then we move on. So I think it's going in the right direction.
Yeah.
Fantastic startup, fantastic technology, fantastic founders and setup. All the best for the future, and keep us posted. I'd like to report on that because hydrogen obviously is a big technology for the future in terms of sustainability, and we need software solutions to manage the efficiency of the energy sources that we have. So great job and keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll be right back with new startups from Demo Day from AVL. Demo Day, stay tuned and see you later.